So we're at the Curtain Hotel and this is our room, which is pretty impressive. It's all marble. And this is a hotel that's in Shoreditch, and this I think is a fortune to stay here, but we're very lucky in that Dan won it at the Universal Films Christmas party. He won first prize in the raffle, and this is the room that we have got. So as you can see, really nice minimal style, interesting picture above the bed. You can see really huge doors and really nice chair there. I'd like that for my house, but I don't think I'd fit it in my bag. And then this is the view outside. It's a city view room, right in the heart of Shoreditch. I'm going to look down there. We're lucky in that parking on the street is free after 1:30 on a Saturday. So we were able to just park just near the hotel, which is great. I'm very intrigued by this lovely bar area. It's a bit different from a little mini bar. I'm sure it's extremely expensive. And there's a little fridge. Let's have a look at what's in the fridge, if I can open it. Oh, nice. Got some drinks and some beers and some olives. And a little cupboard with teas and coffees, which we've been told are free, which is always a bonus. So yeah, very nice room. So we'll be able to see shortly the oh, there's my hand, you don't want to see that, the delights of Shoreditch.